Promise tomorrow. Guys, mag-vocal exercise ako.
Sa'yo, thank you po. Kahit ikaw tayo.
Mag-VEVED UK kami mamaya. Kaya, ako. Actually, magpa-practice ako ng song. So, ano bang kanta dito? Reflection. Ito. Singing. Oh. Pang ito. Diba? Ito. Ito. I hope na magustuhan nyo. Gifted badge. Hello, Soy. Hello, what's up? Look at me. I will never pass for a perfect bride or a perfect daughter. Can it be? I'm meant to play this part. Now I see that if I were truly to be myself, I will break my family's heart. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Who is that perfect bride? It's not me, though I've tried. When will my reflection show I am inside? How I pray that a time will come I can free myself. Hello, what's up? Pause. Oh guys, medyo pause. Pause talaga ako. Actually, pause talaga ako. I'm very pausing. The voice is very pause. Gavin Soy, hello. Gavin Soy, hello po. Sana mapansin. Hi, Kim. What up, Charmaine? Hello, Charmaine. Angel from Sultan Kudarat. What's up sa mga taga Sultan Kudarat dyan? Sa mga kababayan ko dyan sa Sultan Kudarat. Hello. What's up? Kamusta kayo? Kamustahin nyo naman ako. Hello po. Hello. Taga Cebu. Kuya, taga Cebu ka. Yeah, daghan man mo taga Cebu bay. Taga Jensan. Pinsay, kamusta po? Okay ra ko guys. I'm okay. And I hope na supportahan nyo yung Facebook page ko guys. Na doon ko nagpinopost yung mga daily vlogs ko. Yun. Sana supportahan nyo. And ayun lang. Gusto ko lang kayong kamustahin. At matagal din ako hindi nakapag-live sa TikTok. Hi po, taga Leyte. Hi, shoutout sa mga taga Leyte. What up? Kamusta po kayong lahat? And I hope na, hello kay Bitsoy. Ang gwapo mo, idol. Thank you very much. Ikaw pa lang first time nagsabi ng second uwi. Thank you, Eliza, for the cup. Kahit may cup na ako, please, hello, Uyona. Shout out from Laguna. Shout out sa mga taga Laguna. Kayona, thank you. It's my. Hello, my. What's up? Shout out. Shout out, idol. Shout out, Princess Yona. Thank you. Son. Sila JM yun ah. JM tsaka Fiang yun ah. Son. Ay, si Colette. Sino ba yun? JM tsaka si Colette. Ba't may profile sila dyan? Mikoy, thank you. What up? Hello guys. That I see. To be myself. Anong mga ganap nyo guys? Sino mga nag-aaral pa dito? Taas nga ng ng kamay. Sino pa yung mga nag-aaral? Anong course nyo? Tawag nito. Paki-comment kung anong course nyo. Go na, let's go. Shout out from Qatar. Hello po sa mga taga-Qatar. Bakit? Police po. Police. Hi, hello. Zaira, what's up, Zaira? Thank you. Teacher po. Oh, BS Custom Administration. Ayun, BS Custom. Hi, Soy. Son. Ay, thank you. Charlene, what up? Doctor. Hey, doctor. What up, doctor? What? Ano to? Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Anong gusto yung kanta guys? Nasa momentum ako ngayon eh. Kaya medyo kayo ngayon. Medyo swerte kayo ngayon kasi nasa momentum ako. Some I don't Ano. May mga tanong ba kayo? May mga questioning kayo dyan? What is your questioning? To be myself. Ano yun? What is your favorite song? My favorite song, guys. Actually, dati, favorite song ko talaga is Heaven Knows. Heaven Knows yung favorite song ko ngayon, dati. Tapos, ngayon, marami na akong favorite song, guys. Simula nung, paglabas ko. Tsaka narinig ko yung mga OPM na kanta. Ang gaganda. Favorito ko yun ngayon, yung, Marilag. Pulso. Yung sa Cup of Joe. Misteryoso. Ano pa ba? Palagi by TJ Monterde. Ikaw at Ako by TJ Monterde. Actually, marami guys. Marami na akong paboritong kanta ngayon. Di na kagaya nung una, actually. Now I see. Idol po kita sa PBB. Idol din po ako. Marilag po kanta. Di ko po alam kung ano yung Di ko po memorize. Ang hirap kasi nung one shot your shot. Di ko makano eh. Yay. Eto. Sophia, shoutout Sophia. Eto guys, eto yung paboritong kanta ngayon. Isa sa paborito ko. Pulso. Karaw. Ayan. Pulso by Zac Tabudlo. Ilang beses ko bang sasabihin mukha kang beauty queen, kahit ika'y magsalamin. Tanggalin mo pa ng makakapal na lipstick, labay pulang-pula pa rin. Walang magbabago sa aking isip, baliktarin mo man ang mundo. Ikaw talaga ang aking gusto. Pagpasensyahan mo na kung ganito ako. Ikaw na lang ang makikita sa pasilyo. Okay, dami-daming tao sa paligid, ikaw lang ang pansin. Dumadagdag pa sa isipin, pwede bang ako iyong dinggin? Seryosoin mo na rin. Bumabagal ang pulso kapag ika'y nakatingin na sa akin. Isa lang naman ang hiling sa mundo, ika'y mapasa'kin. Sawang-sawa na ako, lintik kasi na pag-ibig to. Lagi na lang pinapaasa, sigurado naman ikaw na to. Baliktarin mo man ang mundo. Ikaw talaga ang aking gusto. Pagpasensyahan mo na kung ganito sa'yo. Ikaw na lang ang nakikita sa pasilyo. Okay, dami-daming tao sa paligid, ikaw lang ang pansin. Dumadagdag pa sa isipin, pwede bang ako iyong dinggin? Seryosoin mo na rin. Bumabagal ang pulso kapag ika'y nakatingin na sa akin. Ikaw na talaga nakikita ko, magkasama habang buhay na to. Hanggang sa pagtanda, ikaw ang Diyosa ng buhay ko. Okay, dami-raming tao sa paligid, ikaw lang ang pansin. Pausa ko eh. Dumadagdag pa sa isipin, pwede bang ako iyong dinggin? Seryosohin mo na rin. Magbagal ang pulso kapag ika'y nakatingin na sa akin. Yun guys, isa sa paborito kong isa sa paborito kong makakanta ngayon. Sorry, pause ako eh. Binsoy, Kuya JM, let's prepare food na. Si Fiang saan? Si Fiang po, kakagaling lang nila sa Abra kagabi, diba? Ay, hindi pala. Bayan ako si Binsoy. Shoutout Reyna. Sena. Kanto na naman tayo ng makausap, guys. Makikita sa pasilyo. Okay, dami-daming tao sa paligid, ikaw lang ang pansin. Ito yung makakausap natin. Yung taga ibang bansa na naman. Para magkapuliki na punta sa pag-istorya nila. Wala ba? Ano tayo dito? Yung ano? Tayo dito ng ano natin. Ukay. Okay, gandang pagmasdan ng iyong mga mata, kumikinang-kinang. Hindi ko maintindihan sa iyong mga ngiting, labis na nagniningning. Kahit bumababa pa lang talaha. Dugdug. Tumingin ka mata.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hello, what up? Nice to meet you.
You've got so many viewers.
What?
You've got so many viewers.
No, they are missing. Ano nga English yung naliligaw, guys? Where are you from?
I'm from Korea.
Korea. Ano ba yung bati sa... Annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요. No, not hands like that.
Oh, no. Sorry.
No hands. It's okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
Mm.
Yeah. Do you know where Philippines is?
Yeah, I know. Actually, I'm in Thailand right now. Thailand.
Ah, you're in Thailand right now.
Yeah.
But you're from Korea.
Yeah.
Ah, oh, that's nice. That's nice.
You wanna go match?
Yeah, let go. Lagi na lang pinapaasa. What song do you like?
What song?
Yeah.
Do you know Keshi?
What?
Keshi.
Gosh, I don't know that. English. So guys,
Keshi.
nagugulat kayo, ano? Nagugulat kayo, no? Na I'm good at English na ngayon. Natututo na ako kay Jaren, guys. So, huwag kayong magtaka. So, never mind. Who is your favorite Hollywood singer? Like,
Hollywood singer?
yeah.
Maybe Billie Eilish?
Billie Eilish. Billie Eilish. Yeah. Lagi na lang pinapaasa. Kind of ways.
What do you do for a living? What you do for a living?
What?
What you do for a living? Let me guess. Are you a rapper?
No, I'm not. Do you look a
Singer?
rapper? Lumpia rapper?
Someone says that you are a celebrity.
What?
Someone said that
What?
you are
What?
a celebrity.
What?
Celebrity.
Celebrity?
Are you?
No.
So what you do for a living?
Yeah. I'm an artist here in my
Oh,
country.
you sing?
A little bit.
Oh, you're a singer and
No,
also a dancer, right?
I'm not a singer. But I can sing. But not that good.
Show me.
Yeah. What do you want? What song do you like?
Anything.
Patay. Tapos tumutulo na ata ang ilan.
Kapag sa...
Tumutulo na ata ang ilan ko. Sleep na po ba? Tulo na kong chip on games. I don't have like
I'm from Korea.
no.
Oh, someone said that you're really good dancer.
What?
Someone said that you are a really good dancer.
Na just I know just a basic steps.
Show me your moves. Show
And
me some moves.
okay. My voice is
아이고, 감사합니다. 어머.
do you know Night Changes by One Direction?
What?
Night Changes by One Direction.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Yeah. Do you know my best friend sing it here in the Philippines? Yeah. I'm not good in singing. So don't judge me. Go tonight, change into something red. Oh my God, doesn't look the kind of dress everything she never had. She's showing off. Going too fast, moving straight into her head. She'll be setting for something that you won't forget. Never know it's all that you really wants. We're getting old, baby. I've been thinking about you lately. Does it never drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Everything that you ever dream of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, it will never change me and you. Thank you. Come some middle, come some middle. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna talk to other person, so
Okay, it was nice to see you.
nice to see you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Patay bay. Mabuti na lang nag-English kung nag-Koreano yon. Di ko talaga maintindihan yon. Siguro managot ako doon talaga. Mas dudugo yung ilong ko pag ganon. Ay. Daliktarin mo man ang mundo. Ito. Gusto ko to guys. Ito. Sana tanggapin nila. Gusto yung mga nakakatawa ko sa akin. Lagi na lang pinapaasa. Kasi dito wala pang nag-accept ng iba Baliktarin mo man ang earth. Ako si Binsoy. Feeling ko soy type kaniya. Mao lagi. Mo nang ginihawa na ko ba kay kulbaan ako. Kasi magdugay pa mga istoryan niya. Ma-fall na siya sa kuha. I'm not into relationship baya. Di pa ba ako gusto mag-relationship. So, mayo na lang. Giyundang na ko tadayon. Sige, madugay pa. Kapilingon ako Manonood yan nanonood na Tagalog. Google Translate nyo na lang. Wag magtaka kung ako ay di na naghihintay. Abangan nyo yung ano ko guys, magko-cover ako ngayon. Yan, ko-cover ka, abangan nyo. Sana magustuhan nyo. Short lang naman, like half lang. Short lang talaga siya. Pero, don't judge me, I'm not a good singer guys. I'm good at dancing, pero dili ko hawd mo sa, di ko hawd mo unsa, di ko hawd kayo mag, kanta. Yeah, don't judge the book by its cover. So cover it by the cellophane na Happy, capital S, Happy. Bumabagal ang pulso. Wala naman tayong makausap dito. Gusto ko yung ka-vibes natin ba? Wala man dito ang ka-vibes natin eh. Kapag ika'y makatingin na sa akin. Huhu. Huhu. Merry Christmas. Dun 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 dun. Lagi na lang pinapaasa. Sir Jabin. Ay, nagla-live pala sila, Sir Jabin. Shoutout po. Shoutout po kay Sir Jabin. Idol ko po kayo, sir. Boss King. Kong TV. Kong TV. Mga paborito natin vloggerist. Balasing! Malafiton. Shoutout. Lagi na lang pinapaasa. Balik ka rin mo man ang tilapia na franito. Ba't wala tayong makausap dito na Napafoto ko. Naman saan mabot? Isang hi Charles lang. Hi Charles! What up Charles? What are you doing? I'm doing well. I'm you. Are you and everything? And just, God bless you. Happy. What up? Ooh. Yeah. Ala. Bini. Di ko alam kung paano na hulog ito. Tinapay na ito. Bigla na lang naramdam ng puso. Capital S. Puso. Lagi na lang pinapaasa. Ay. Uy, paano to? Wait,
Punishment. अबांग बोले सत्तू मैच है ये देखो टूथपेस्ट लगवाई थी आंखों के नीचे
naglalag guys. Tripan natin to. You know where is the
पनिशमेंट कराई सी भरावा उन्हें अखा थले टूट ओए उसके पास बड़ी दुनिया बैठी है
no
ओए अहमद तू टैप टैप करो गाइस सारे बंदे
no the so the
गाइस टैप टैप एवरीवन गाइस टुगेदर वेलकम अलोन गाइस टुगेदर सारे टैप टैप करो एनसी वेलकम गाइस टुगेदर सारे टैप टैप guys together guys tap everyone together
hindi man natin naiintindihan to guys hindi tayo nasa pasokan ng dimension ibang portal
देखो बताओ बागी है ना मैं आपको क्या कहता हूँ 1 पॉइंट 1300 बंदा बैठा उधर 1300 बंदा है ओए ट्रिपल आया ट्रिपल थैंक यू आमिर भाई उन 5 बंदे 5 फ्लावर
Ito guys. Follow and yung mga hindi pa
वो यार तो बड़ा
nakakapag-
फेमस बंदा है यार,
Ito guys. Ito.
वो यार तो बहुत फेमस बंदा है भाई.
Ito guys. Ayan. Yung mga hindi pa nakakapag-follow. And, ayan guys, oh.
मिलते भाई किसी ने सुनाओ, मैं ठीक ठाक, जानी तुम सुनाओ. तो
Follow guys, ayan.
2 million. ओए इसके हाँ 2.7 मिलियन फॉलोवर है.
Ayan, ayan guys.
चलो खैर हारेंगे तो फिर कौन सी बात है.
Oh!
वो इसके तो 2.7 मिलियन फॉलोवर है ओए. हेलो ब्रो, लिसन ब्रो. हेलो. वालेकुम सलाम, पापा हियर. कैसे हो भाई? ब्रो, हेलो.
Hello, hello, what up, what up?
ब्रो, यू डूडो मना.
What?
ये कौन है भरावा मैनू? ब्रो, वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम?
Sa YouTube channel guys, ito siya guys.
यस आई नो, ही इज वेरी फेमस. इनने मेरे ना क्या मैं मैच लगा लिया हुआ. लगता है मैं फॉर यू पे जा रहा था ना ऊपर, तो इसलिए वो इसने वो रैंडम में रिक्वेस्ट डाली है. मैं मेरी आईडी है फेक. कितने बंदों ने मुझे फॉलो भी किया? 16 बंदों ने कर लिया. ऐसे बंदों के साथ मजा आता है मैच लगाने का.
This is my YouTube guys.
This is me, your stream.
Just follow my YouTube.
Nandito ako ngayon
मैं तो कोई सिंगर है.
tourism office.
This is,
Kaya akit ko ng lake.
and guys, oh.
Kaya lang lake ko lang.
May 11k followers pa lang siya. Kaya kung hindi pa kayo
कितने
nakakapag
मिलियन मान दिया?
subscribe na guys. Ayan sa YouTube channel ko.
Nakatira 7 minutes na ako dito, pero ngayon ko lang siya mapupunta.
ये मेरी खुशकिस्मती है, मैं किसी बड़े अच्छे बड़े मशहूर बंदे ना मैच खेडने हैं. वाह, स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग ना कर लिए छट को.
Guys, di ko talaga naiintindihan ko.
भाई स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग कर लिए. यू आर हैंडसम डैड. वो भी हैंडसम है, मैं केड़ा कल्ला मैं प्यारा, वो भी कल्ला, वो भी सोहना ही ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਹੈ. ब्रो यू आर वेरी हैंडसम टू ब्रो. ਅੱਲਾ ਦੇ ਬੰਦੇ 2.7 ਮਿਲੀਅਨ ਤੇਰੇ ਫਾਲੋਅਰ ਨੇ. ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਚ ਖੇਡ ਰਹੇ, ਸਾਡੀ ਖੁਸ਼ਕਿਸਮਤੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ. ਉਹ ਸੱਚ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਚ ਖੇਡਣੇ ਆ, ਸਾਡੀ ਕੋਈ ਤੂੰ ਕਿੱਡਾ ਖੁਸ਼ਕਿਸਮਤ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਹੈ. ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਚ ਖੇਡਣੇ ਆ. ਵੇਖ ਮੇਰੀ ਫੈਨ ਫੋਲੋਇੰਗ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ, 12 ਬੰਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ.
Ano ba mag-live dito eh?
ਇਹ ਮੇਰੀ ਫੈਨ ਫੋਲੋਇੰਗ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ, 13 ਬੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਉੱਤੇ. ਤੂੰ ਅੱਲਾ ਦੇ ਬੰਦੇ, ਤੇਰੇ 2.7 ਮਿਲੀਅਨ ਫਾਲੋਅਰ, ਸਕੋਰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ 800 ਪਿਆ ਹੈ. ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਮੈਚ ਖੇਡ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਆ 9,000 ਵਾਲੇ.
Paano to guys?
ਕੋਈ ਤਰਲਾ ਨਾ ਮਾਰ ਲਈ 1 ਮਿੰਟ.
Guys, tulungan niyo ako guys. Naliligaw ako guys.
Is a
Umalis dito guys.
celebrity in Philippines. Oh my god. Okay. ये तो फिलीपीन का कोई बड़ा प्यारा फिलीपीन.
Ano to guys?
Brother, listen. Bro, I wanna talk to you, bro.
Hey, what up? What up? What is it? What is it?
Bro, you are very handsome. Yeah.
You are very handsome too, brother.
No handsome. You are very handsome. Bro, your follower 2.7 M. चल रही उन पर चल गई ना कर दी.
Paano ba? Tulungan niyo naman ako. Paano balis dito guys? Naligaw tayo ng portal eh.
10 star लिखन दे बंदा वन.
Muling portal yung napasukan natin guys eh. Paano to?
ये फिर खेडेगा, मेरे पता लग गया है. ये नहीं जाएगा.
No. I wanna talk to others also. So,
Bro, listen.
Bye-bye.
Listen. I follow you. Can you follow back?
brother.
Cannot not.
Balis dito guys. Di ko talaga follow. Paano ba to? Patay na. Uwa na guys. Nawala na tayo sa portal. Paano natin makakamatari? Patay na rin. Hello. Paano na rin guys?
Hello, Ben Soe. Listen.
Ano-
Oh, mare
ano,
मेरी बात
guys?
सुन
Ano
ले.
ba, ano?
सुन like
Paano ako makakaalis dito? Paano makakalis dito guys? Gusto ko bang umalis?
ਉਹ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਭਜਣਾ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਨਸਣਾ ਕੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਲਾਈਵ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਲਾ ਦੀ ਕਸਮ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕੱਟ ਕੇ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਕੱਟਣਾ ਕਿਵੇਂ
Paano to?
ਮੈਚ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈ ਲਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਚੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਣਾ ਨਾ ਲਾ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਇੰਜੀ ਬੈਠਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਾ
Paano to guys?
You look so handsome.
Yes,
Oh my
listen.
god, really? I am so handsome. He is trying to skip. You don't. Okay, listen, no problem. I go. ਤੂੰ ਅੱਲਾ ਦੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਔਖਾ ਪਰੇਸ਼ਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਉਧਰੋਂ ਵਾਹ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰਾ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਵੇਖ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ you are very handsome. Yes, I know I am very handsome.
Yeah.
You चीसा बच्चा. Yes, I know I am चीसा बच्चा. He is the.
Wala ko na talaga magtuto.
ਓਏ ਜਾਣ ਦਿਓ ਯਾਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ. Okay, bro.
Having you, brother. Patay. Naligaw tayo ng ibang portal. Hindi mo kami nagkaintindihan yan guys. Mas dumudugo man yung ilong ko dun. Na-stress na ako. Capital S-U-B. Stress. Na-stress na talaga ako guys. Patay. Pwede yung iba naman makausap natin yung...
Hello. No, yeah. Just I don't sing. I just play. You know Afrobeat.
You're cool, you know? Galing tumugtog guys ah. I love the beat.
Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines. How about you?
Nigeria.
Oh, are you a musician in Nigeria?
Yes. Well, I'm just a guitarist. I don't sing.
Me not feel like you're an angel in a demon
Do you sing?
That's why me not hesitate
Yeah.
to screw you. She
I
walk
sing,
through
but-
the highway with
Can I
a
hear your
same
music?
vibe.
Not that good,
Call
not
and
that
make a man lose them. Can you?
Not that good, but you got 2.7
To the
million
reggae no be
followers.
blues and no.
You don't want to sing for her?
Make a suck you no. Be like the way that you roll it, jiggy like that. And I know that you know that's me similar.
I like that, I like
Everybody
that, I like
evil,
that.
nobody only like that. Put your hands on the pole, wine selector. She puff cannabis smoke and she lit it. She a body of the highest order. Brazilian. I know say me and the Jones, I know there is like that. I bring in this order. Give me that sweet, for real, for me. Sweet, c'est la vie, hasta la vie. Looking pretty, me need it now. Who need it? Who kill it? Who back carry it? Who kill me now? Who beat it? On her knees, she say now we now. Oh, love me like that, oh my God, love me like that, oh. To ball up, but I want my family like that, oh. I'm a woman, to me like that, oh. Sweet Cuban girl, she a want on a mirror. She give herself to me and she wants me to tear her. Finish with her, she
You're good, you're good.
Good too. I like the groove. I like the moves, right? Vibes, right? But people are enjoying your dance.
Make a suck you no. She puff cannabis smoke and she lit it. She a body of the highest order. Brazilian. I know say me and the Jones, I know there is like that. I bring in this order, so give me that sweet, for real, for me. Sweet, c'est la vie, hasta la vie. Looking pretty, we need it now. Who need it? Who kill me? Who back carry it? Who kill me now? Who beat it? a Riri. Who kill me now? Who beat it on her knees? She said that we now.
What kind of music
Nice.
is that? Is that Afro?
Afrobeat.
Afrobeats.
Yes, Afrobeat.
That's so nice, bro.
Thank you, thank
Do you have
you.
a band?
No,
You don't. What do you do for a living?
I just play the guitar.
Oh, you're just playing a guitar. You're good in playing guitar. Basag yun.
Thank you.
Yeah. I like how
You're very good at dancing too. I like your moves.
Thank you. You're good at
You're
playing.
welcome.
You know.
Thank you so much.
Is that your own beat?
What?
Is that your own beat of Afro?
No. I'm just playing on popular songs
Oh,
in my country.
yeah, that's like.
Trending songs.
Where are you performing? So sa mga taga-Iloilo.
It's 11 o'clock.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you too. Thank you for vibing with me. Bye.
Bye. How can I live this? How can I live this? Patay na ko daling
Okay, let me.
dito sa kanila. Maria, Maria, you got my heart is in my heart, who are you? I need you like water, like too big. It's so in it. I remember the day, even wrote down the date, then I fell for you. Oh, when I crossed down the road and I cannot forget, and I only do. Cause you won't see me break up with your estimated stomach ache in the universe, in the Philippines. Hi, what up? Guys, thank you for watching sa live na ko. So, I'm gonna end this live na and let's go! See you sa mga ganap ko guys sa susunod. And thank you so much for supporting me every day, every night, every day, every night. Energetic ako ngayon. Ang ganda pala pag nakapag-exercise kapag umaga, no? Ganito kaya basta energetic guys. Grabe, maganda yung araw ko ngayon. Energetic ako ngayon. Ewan ko ba? Mag-prank call. Sige. Mag-prank call tayo, guys. Sino gusto niyo i-prank call natin? Gayahan natin yung kay Ate Jess. Yung ikaw ang tumawag sa akin, ah. Sige, sige. Sino ba? Sino? Mag-prank call tayo. Tara. Si Makmak, tawagan natin. Mak! Saan ka? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, Mac.
Hello?
Hello, Mac. Mac.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Mac. Hello, Mac.
Hello?
Hello, Mac.
Putik.
Mac. Hello, Mac.
Hello?
Ba't ka tumawag?
Ano?
Ba't ka tumawag? Mac,
Anong tumawag?
ikaw ang tumawag.
Ba?
Ikaw ang tumawag, ah.
Patulog ako ha. Paano ako tatawag?
Patulog ka ba? Eh, biglang may
Oo.
nag-ring eh. Ba't ka tumawag? Ano ba yun?
Ba hindi ako?
Namimiss mo ata ako, ah.
Namimiss kita pero hindi ako yung tumawag.
Di ba ikaw tumawag?
Oo, sira. Ulo ka.
Loko ka. Saan ka ba?
Dito ako sa Pasig.
Kawi na kayo?
Oo, papahinga lang.
Nagla-live kasi ako, Mac. Alam mo yun, di ba?
Oo, prapos. Walang iya ka. Nakalive ka ngayon?
Naka-live ako ngayon. Nagre-request yung mga nanonood eh. Prank call do eh.
Saan? Sa TikTok?
Oo, sa TikTok.
Hmm.
Pag-live ka kaya?
No.
Online?
Patulog na ako.
Online ano?
Online suntukan.
Online sundukan. Sige, matulog ka muna. Bye, Mac.
Enjoy.
Bye, Mac. Love you. Mac.
Ha?
Bye, Mac.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Mac. Love you.
Tika.
Ayan guys, kasalanan nyo to. sorry. Patulog ka pala. Kaya, sino pang ipaprank natin dito guys? Sino kaya magandang iprank dito? Si Therese. Tawagan ka natin si Therese. Therese. Di ba sumasagot? Wait lang. Wait lang ah. Di pa sumasagot eh. Patay natin. Maghanap tayo ng iba. Tayo ng iba. Si JP kaya. Si JP. Sino kaya? Si Piang. Tulog naman. Tuyog yun. Sigurado. Sino ba? Si Piang. Tulog yun si Piang. Sigurado guys. Sino ba? Diba? Sorry, sorry. Wala tayong makita dito yung iba. Si Bangi. Tulog si Bangi guys. Sigurado ako. Tulog yun. Tulog yun. Sigurado. Si Gwen. Si Gwen. Si Gwen. Si Gwen. Si Gwen guys. Tawagan natin si Gwen. Si Jaren, tulog yun naman si Jaren, sigurado. Tulog yun. Kasi galing silang Abra, diba? Pagpapahinga pa yun. Ba't di sila sumasagot? Busy ata ito sila. Mamaya na lang. Sino pa ba? Si Mark, si Mark. Si Mark. Mark na lang si Mark. Mark Kaninga. Si Mark. Yan si Mark. Di sumasagot guys. Di sila sumasagot. Sino ba? Sino ba? Sino ba? Si Colette. Colette, Colette. Colette. Sunod natin si Ate Jess. Di sila sumasagot eh. They're not answering the call. Itigil ko na lang tong Franco guys. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Ano yon?
Hello po. May
Hello? Sino to?
hello po, ma'am. May parcel po kayo sa labas, ma'am.
Ay, wala akong pake. Pakitapon na lang yan.
Ma'am, may parcel po kayo.
Parcel daw. Tell mo.
Nandyan po ba si Mr. Dylan Nitoralde at saka si Mark Naninga?
Oo.
Pakisabi po may parcel din po sila sa labas.
Pakisabi po, subor, boss.
Nandyan po ba si Mark Naninga?
Meron, bakit po?
Pakisabi po may parcel po siya, dinosaur sa labas po.
Ano, dinosaur daw?
Galing pa po tong Mars. Nagla-live ako.
Oo, hawa sa amin. Oy, maglawa sa amin.
Eh, ginagawa pa pala sila. Loko kayo guys. Kayo talaga. Kasalanan nyo talaga to eh. Kasalanan nyo talaga to guys. JP. Si JP. Si JP. Si JP. JP. JP naman. Si Jepoy. Jepoy, si Jepoy. Hindi sumasagot si Jepoy, guys.
Hey, hello.
Hey, hello. What up? What up?
All good, brother. What about you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines. How about you?
I'm from Greece. Have you ever been in
Oh.
Greece?
What?
Have you ever been in Greece?
Not yet.
Not yet. It's a good country, man.
Yeah, I know. I want to go there.
A lot of beautiful women, good food,
Yeah.
drinks,
And good person, right?
and good people. Yes, people are very nice.
Yeah. Here also in my country, you wanna come here?
In Philippines, I've never been in Philippines. I have some friends from the Philippines that stay here. I stay in Romania now, and I have many friends that stay in Romania. They're from Philippines. Everyone is singing. You in Philippines, you sing very good. Like everyone is talented.
Yeah, yeah.
Ne, Eugen, ne.
Are you singing?
Yes, I'm a singer. I'm a singer.
Are you singer?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you give me a sample, please?
Ah, you want me to sing something?
Yeah, yeah.
Let me connect my microphone. Just a
Yeah,
sec.
let go.
Ok. Hai să cântăm ceva omului. Ok? See. Okay. Can you hear the music?
Yeah, yeah, I hear it.
Good. Hey,
Is that Sam Smith song?
come on.
Hey, let's go guys. Ito guys, nabigyan tayo ng sample. Ayan na.
You and me, we made a vow, for better or for worse. Yeah,
Let go.
I can't believe you let me down, but the proof's in the way it hurts.
Kakanta din ako mamaya pag kain ako.
Months on end, I have my doubts, denying every tear. I wish this would be over now, but I know that I still need you here. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done, but when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. Hey. You've been so unavailable. No, sadly, I know why. Your heart is unobtainable, even though Lord knows you kept mine. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done, but when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. I have loved you for many years. Maybe I'm just not enough. You've made me realize my deepest fear, by lying and tearing us up. You say I'm crazy.
You're good, bro. You're good.
I know what you've done, but when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. Hey, thank you guys.
Yeah. That's lit. That's
Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Do
It's
you want me
early in
to
the
sing
morning
also? Do
here.
you want me to sing also? Some.
Yes, you sing?
Yeah, I can sing, but not good as yours.
Ah, come on. I wanna listen to you. Let's go.
Yeah.
Από Χαλκιδική με Eugen, αλλά μένω Βουκουρέστι.
Yeah. Here. I have no microphone or something like yours, but do you hear it? Do you hear it? You and me are made of love, for better or for worse. I can't believe you let me down, but the proof in the way it hurts. For miles around I have my doubts, denying every tear. Patay na ko sa chorus na to. I wish it could be over now, but I know that I still need you here. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. You know, my voice is little husky right now.
It's okay. It sounds good, man. It's all for me. It's morning here, and my voice is like this as well. I cannot sing in the morning,
Yeah.
but you sing good. You sing. You're
Thank you
a
so
singer.
much.
This is what you do, or
I appreciate it. What?
are you a singer? This is what you do, or you're a
No,
content
no, I'm
creator?
not a singer. I'm not a singer. I can sing, but I'm not a singer. You know, here in the Philippines, a lot of people can sing. A good
Everyone
singer,
can
yes.
sing in Philippines. Everyone can sing. It's amazing.
Yeah, yeah. Everyone here in Philippines can sing. They're all good, you know?
Yeah, yeah. There was a video that was viral with I think it was a Philippine guy who was singing "Too Good at Goodbyes" from Sam Smith.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Can I
and
see it? Can I see it?
what?
I'm gonna... Do you know... Sino nga, ano?
Oh yes, I found it. That's the one. It's a guy from Philippines, of course. He sings really good. Maybe we don't stand a chance. It's sad, but it's true. We're too good at goodbyes. It's a good
I'm
song.
way
Good
too
song.
good at goodbyes. Yeah.
But what do? You didn't tell me. You're not a singer. You're a content creator.
No, I'm not a... I'm just... Patay na po daan guys. English na po. I'm... Hello, mic check. I'm an artist here in my country.
Okay, an artist. Of what do you do?
Like dance, sing, act.
Okay, nice. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
I love acting as well.
Oh, do you act?
I love acting. Yes, I love acting. But I didn't pursue a career on like being an actor. But I like acting. I took some lessons. I was in a team back in the day, but I continued like with music, you know.
That's nice. I'm just new here.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
Oh, you're
I'm
young.
from the
That's-
show. You know, can you search it? Pinoy Big Brother, Gen 11.
Pinocchio brother?
Pinoy Big Brother.
Pinoy Big Brother?
Yeah.
Okay. I found a YouTube channel. Whoa, so 7 million, almost 7 million. Okay, you're here somewhere?
Yeah. I have no hair there.
You have green hair?
No. This one.
Wait.
JM, welcome to the game. Dito nyo malalaman ang inyong
You see that
kapalaran
guy?
ayon sa
And the
Yes.
brown jacket, brown skinny
Yes.
jacket. That's me, bro.
Hey, nice.
taong papat
Okay, let me see. What do you do here? You get evicted.
Yeah, I get evicted.
been evicted from the Big Brother house.
Okay, that's it. Okay, this is like a TV show where you are in a big house all together.
Yeah.
Okay, you didn't win.
I didn't.
Oh, what was the prize? If you have won, what was the prize?
I don't know what is. I know what is the price, but I don't know if like 1 million.
$1 million?
No, not like that. Ano. Basta kayo na nga mag-explain dito, guys. Nahihirapan na ako dito mag-explain ba. Kanina pa to. No, just never mind what is the price. So,
Okay.
ano,
Okay.
I'm not good in English.
Yeah, don't worry. It's okay.
I'm
We
trying
can
to-
understand each other. Don't worry. Your name is Binsoy, right?
Yeah.
It was nice to meet you. I have to go. I have to go to the gym.
Oh.
And maybe we play another time, okay?
Yeah, let's
I
go.
will follow you.
Yeah, let's go.
Thank you so much for playing with me.
much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Thank you so much then, guys. No, magpaalam na ako kasi maglipat pa ako dun sa spaceship. Maglipat pa ako, guys, actually. Lilipat na naman ako dun sa X kasi mag-space ako ngayon. So, doon na naman kayo. Makinig kayo sa akin nung makipagchika naman kayo. Bye-bye, guys. I love you. See you all and God bless you all.